Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to live stream on YouTube. So let's get into it. First of all, open the YouTube app. Click on the Create Video button. Click Go Live. Starting your first live stream may take up to 24 hours. Once enabled, you can live stream instantly. For users aged 13 to 17 on YouTube, your default mobile live stream privacy setting is set to unlisted. If you're 18 or over, your default mobile live stream privacy setting is set to public. All users can change the setting to make their live stream public, private, or unlisted. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.